want to give you guys an idea of what you can do for a quick, easy breakfast where you get your fiber in from fruit, you get a bit of carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates from oatmeal, and how to get some extra protein in there. Okay, so here I have some pre-cooked steel cut oats. I usually make I do my food prep for the week, so I cook my carbohydrates, so that includes my steel cut oats. So these are already pre-cooked, okay? So I just warmed that up. I have 1 scoop of Magnum Quattro salted caramel protein powder. It's so good. It's a great way to give your oatmeal some flavor, but you're getting that added protein in there too. So now I'm just adding a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. Just give that a stir. So just mix it all up so you get the protein well incorporated in there. I love the Magnum Quattro protein powders because they are so flavorful. 30 grams of protein per scoop with only 1 gram of carbohydrate and 0.05 grams of sugar. So low in carbs, low in sugar, lots of protein. So yeah, so I got my protein powder in here. And then I like to add just a handful of berries. So I have blueberries here while they are still fresh in season. So yeah, so here is a very quick breakfast where you're getting your carbohydrates, your fiber, and your protein in a pinch.